Oi, you, yeah, with your working limbs and your neurotypical brain. Show off. Accessibility ain't just the role of the disabled community, okay? In fact, there are loads of ways you can work towards making your practice more accessible and inclusive. Here's 3 tips to get you started. 1. Get educated. Need a guide on how to make your gigs more accessible? Then check out Attitude is Everything, who have DIY simple guides on how to adapt your practice. Need a guide on how to recruit and market in an accessible way? Then head over to Unlimited, who also have free resources. Want to know how to make an exhibition more inclusive from planning to execution? Then head over to the Access Toolkit, which is also free. There are so many accessible resources out there. It is like Disneyland for accessible music, so why are you not using them, eh? Tip 2. Get prepared. Imagine you're about to head to your favourite concert, you're about to enter the door, and just as you do, the venue say, if you breathe once, you're out. You'd be absolutely raging, right? It's not your fault you were born breathing or that the venue hadn't prepared for you to breathe. There are lots of people in the world breathe. What makes you less important? Now imagine you have a disability and a venue says that your needs are too time-consuming or too expensive to cater for. Or even worse, that they didn't think someone like you would turn up. Don't wait for a disabled person to book a ticket or say that they need something. Put the adaptations in place straight away, no matter what. Whether that's subtitling your content, switching off strobe lighting, or placing ramps where stairs are unavoidable. Be creative and think ahead. Tip number 3. Be human. Now this may be a struggle for any aliens watching this video, but if you are a human and you're struggling to adapt your music practice, that's okay. I'm disabled and even I forget half the stuff that disabled people need. However, you need to speak up if you're struggling. If you don't know what to do, then you need to ask. How can I support the disabled community? How can I become more inclusive in my music practice? How do I be an ally as an able person? And the most important thing to say, I am sorry that I couldn't provide what you needed. How can I be better next time? The disabled community understands that you are still learning. And even if all you've done is read up on the history of accessible music, alt-texted an Instagram post, or watched to the end of this video, you've taken one step to become more inclusive, and that means a lot. Now go on out there and champion that accessibility flag, my able allies, and just remember, you're doing great.